Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session, we'll be learning modifying tools which are available in the AutoCAD. So first, today we'll be learning how to use move command and how to use copy command. So first, I'll just take up a particular shape or any particular plan. Yes, now I'm going to use move command here. So move command, it will be available under modifying command. The shortcut for the move is M enter. Here you can see I have got move command. Either you can select single object and then you can move it, or you can select the whole component, take move command and then move it. Now how to move this? See, in order to move particular object, for example I'll be taking this circle, and then if I take up move command, it immediately asks me to specify the base point whichever from where I need to move it. So for example, right now I need to move this circle through its midpoint. So my midpoint should be replaced from this coordinate to this coordinate. Either I can move it in this way, or there is no particular specification for placement. There is no compulsory for taking midpoint also. You can take any base point. Sometimes for me this base has to be placed to this edge. If this is the condition, in the sense I can take up the base point at any point. In the same way, if I am under the group condition, I can take up move command and then I can specify which point should be replaced from which coordinate to which coordinate. For example, this base should be replaced to somewhere here. In the sense, everything will be replaced being this corner placed at a particular coordinate. So this is how you use move command under AutoCAD. Now after move command, we'll be having copy. So we'll take up copy. Now I need to select the component. So these are the components for copying. Now again I need to specify the base point. For example, I need base point from here, and then I am clicking number of copies I need for project. So this is how I use copy. Shortcut for the copy is CO enter. CO enter is a shortcut for the copy. So right now, in today's session we have understood two modifying tools. In further classes we'll be going on with the other modifying tools. Thank you.